How to get Egyptian cat token in Monopoly Go. Egyptian Treasures is a special event on Monopoly Go where you have to collect hammers or pickaxes in order to dig treasures and get some rewards such as new skin, new token, free rolls, and sticks. So you will need to keep digging and using pickaxes a lot during the Egyptian Treasures event until you reach level 14. So let's just say for level 1, you will get 75 free rolls. For level 2, you will get 100 free rolls and 2-star yellow sticker packet, and so on. So you have to reach milestone 14 in order for you to get Egyptian cat token. This new token will then be yours to take after you have finished the specific level of the challenge. So, as what I've mentioned earlier, you have to reach milestone 14 in order for you to unlock this token. So, when it comes to giving you additional tokens that you can use on your board, Scopely is really giving you some tokens here. And to make it short, use your hammer or pickaxes to locate the treasures in each game board to complete a level. Reach a milestone, specifically milestone 14, to get this Egyptian cat token. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.